Hi, welcome back to Lisa Pantaw Channel. How are you today? Hopefully you are happy today. So in this video, I will share you information about how to use nude lipstick, so stay tuned. In this video, I use Makeover Nude Series Lipstick. You might have seen nude lipstick worn by celebrities, models, or even your friends. If you like, try a nude lipstick for yourself. Figure out which shades matches your undertones. Moisturize your lips and pair it with heavy eye makeup to look great in nude lipstick today. And the first tip is know your skin undertones. Find a natural light source like a door or open window. Look at the color of the veins on the inside of your wrist. If your veins are green, you have warm undertones. If your veins are blue, you have cool undertones. If you cannot tell if your veins are blue or green or they are a mixture of both, you probably have neutral undertones. Tips number 2. Try to use rosy pink if you have cool undertones. Rosy nudes will pair well with the natural pink and red of your own skin without making you look flush. Gold nudes can wash you out, and peachy nudes can fade into your skin. Stick with pinker nudes to make your lipstick subtly enhance your cool undertones. Tips number 3. Color of peachy pinks and gold, suitable for you who have warm undertones. No lipstick with warm tones pair great with your own warm undertones. Use lipstick that are peachy instead of rosy and pink nudes that have a golden warmth. This shade will draw attention to your own warm undertones and won't clash with pinker nudes would. Tips number 4. If you have neutral tones, you're free to choose any nude color. If you have a combination of warm and cool tones, you can choose any shade of nude lipstick and it will probably look great. A neutral beige shade will make your skin pop and let your undertones shine. Those are the tips to use your nude lipstick. Hopefully this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and bye.